In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a third-party domain to your website in Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your custom web address can point to your Squarespace site with confidence. First, make sure you're in the correct site within your Squarespace account. From your site's dashboard, look to the bottom left corner and click the Settings icon. It looks like a small gear. This opens the control center for everything that shapes how your site behaves behind the scenes. Inside Settings, find and click Domains and Email. This is the area Squarespace uses to manage web addresses and related email settings. Even if you've never worked with domains before, don't worry. The labels here are clear and designed to guide you. Next, select Domains. This section shows any addresses already linked to your site and is where you'll add your own. It's helpful to pause here and confirm the domain you plan to connect is active and spelled correctly. Having that information ready will make the next step quick and smooth. Choose the option labeled Use a Domain I Own. This tells Squarespace you already purchased a domain from a third-party provider and simply want to connect it to your site rather than buying a new one through Squarespace. It's the right choice if your domain lives with a registrar like Google Domains, GoDaddy, Namecheap, or similar. Now paste your domain into the field provided. Type it exactly as you want visitors to use it. Typically your root domain like example.com, without HTTP or HTTPS. If your brand commonly uses the www version, you can still enter the root domain. Squarespace will guide you on how it will handle www and any necessary redirects as part of the connection flow. Double check there are no extra spaces and that the spelling is perfect. A tiny typo here can prevent your site from being found. After you add your domain, Squarespace will display on-screen guidance to complete the connection. Simply follow the prompts you see. If any confirmations appear, review them and proceed. It's normal for final connection status to take a little time to update while changes register across the internet. That's it. A quick recap: open Settings, go to Domains and Email, select Domains, choose Use a Domain I Own, and paste your domain. With those steps complete, your Squarespace site is set up to recognize your custom address, and you're on your way to a polished, professional web presence.